Welcome to Logan's Speed Shop. Here we are working on rotaries.
You reckon?
What a cat.
I don't know how I caught that. Well guys, it's happened. Finally bloody decided to deal with the motor. As you guys saw the other video, I actually dressed it all, which is all well and good. But then I just had this worry that something was off. So I pulled the exhaust manifold off, grab a torch, see if you can see it on camera, especially because I moved the motor around. The motor's been moved a bit. You can kind of see it in there. There's oil gathering at the bottom of the housing on rotor 1. Oh, camera angles are real funky. So, knocking up a rotary engine stand, and we're going to take it up to my mate Troy's house, and we're going to pull the bugger apart. Never pulled a rotary apart. Seen plenty of videos of pulling them apart, putting them together. Never done it myself. So we've got everything unbolted from the engine. Not too much hard work taking it off after I put it on. Just seems a bit counterproductive. But yeah, let's get her on, well, make up a little stand. Got one plate bolted on here at the moment. A couple of other bits of right angle there. Got this bugger here which will go in the middle. And I'll just reinforce everything once it's tacked with the welder. Give me a couple of minutes, we'll have this all together and we'll get it loaded in the back of the cube. Yay, let's get this motor apart. Kind of dreading what I'll find in there. Well, the camera cut out when I was making it. Some of my greatest work right there, I reckon. Like quarter of an axle stand. See where the tip was blocked there, ran out of some gas flow. Ugly, but effective. Should work good. So that will go like that. Those bottom two studs. We got the top hole there as well. Once it's bolted up, it clears the engine. Should be enough to hold the bugger. Well, just make sure the bolts all line up tight still. Clears it, then let's get this loaded into the car. Excited to pull it down and see how bad it actually is in there. Well, see if I can recognise it. First time me and Troy pulled down a rotor, so it'll be interesting.
Welcome to Logan's Speed Shop. Here we are working on rotaries. Full disclaimer, me and Logan don't know what the fuck we're doing.
Already got it in there, don't worry about that.
I'm a little bit concerned what's going on here, Logan. Where's the crankshaft?
Bro, how weird is it? There's nothing.
How do I do the bearings in here?
Exactly, just pop them off. Fuck, I hope we don't have to do bearings. Looks like it.
Fuck, it's shit, man.
I reckon, look, yeah, but there's no shit here. We'll be right.
You knock that in if you want more pressure.
Look at that. How fucking big's that flange? I don't know how the fuck I caught that. 11, mate. The battery, oh no, the memory card's about to be full. That'll work.
Yeah.
We've got it all apart. We've got a centre housing that's wrecked. We've got a front plate that's wrecked. We've got Sage and we've got Pistol Pete over here. But yeah, we got some damage. It looks like we're going to need some new parts, but we're no experts. We can just see, we're just seeing what makes sense to us. But yeah, everything's labelled, packed away. Now to get some proper expert advice.
Yep.